Hello, my name is Haley Leffelholtz. I currently live in Asbury, Iowa. I am originally from Manchester, Iowa, which, if you know about it, it's a pretty small town. I work at Mercy Medical Center on the Surgical Services Unit as a registered nurse. Prior to that, I worked there as a CNA, and then I worked short term while I was in school as an LPN at a nursing home. I am married to my high school sweetheart. We've been together since we were 16 for about 2 years, and he is going to University of Wisconsin Platteville for mechanical engineering. He is working part-time as an engineer in the meantime. I like to read, and when I have time, I practice violin, but with nursing school and working, it's been hard to do that. I am glad to start this program, and I look forward to getting to know all of you. Thank you.